In this video, we're going to be talking about the bedside commode. Oftentimes, this is referred to as a 3-in-1. So you have three options whenever you're using this piece of equipment. The first option is going to be using this at the bedside using the bucket and the lid. The second option will be using this as a toilet riser over your toilet using the splash guard. And the third option is going to be using this in the shower without the splash guard or the bucket for a shower chair. To adjust the height, you'll need to push in the silver spring buttons on each of the four legs, and you'll either pull up to make it taller or to push down to make it shorter.
When placing your bedside commode over the commode, we're going to want to first lift the seats and slide it over top. When you lift the seat, you'll want to double check that there's no part of the commode underneath where the hole would be. So, in some cases, you'll be okay, the hole stays open. If the seats kind of push it too far forward, we're going to want to take this bar off the back here. To remove this bar on the back, you'll just want to twist these wing nuts. And be sure to secure your parts, don't lose them. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Once both are free and in one place, we'll want to pull the back and your bar is secure. Just be sure to keep all these parts together. Without the bar on the back, we can now lift the toilet seats and back our commode all the way to the back of the seat and check our spot, and we'll have room for our splash guard. When using the bedside commode at the bedside, you want to make sure that the back bar is secure to provide extra support to your back when you sit down. This would be a time to use the bucket, and when you're finished, you can cover it up